Yo, 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 what up, YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now, so let's get that package out right now. So, here we go. Normally we would have the bat knife, but it's a peel off, so we don't need it. And they always manage to freaking destroy. What the fudge? Like, bro. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna let the seller know about that. That's not acceptable. And the screen protector. So all this is for the Stream Deck. I'm sorry, I said Stream Deck. Jesus Christ. My Legion Go 2. You know what? Let's just unbox this too because, hey. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. This is just something small. To be honest, this don't need to be unboxed. This is just it's just a little kit. Basically, hot shoe for my camera. So I can put adapters and stuff on it, like my microphone mounts and stuff on it. So that's what that is. So that don't need to be really shown. But this right here, which is all torn up. Jesus Christ. Sorry, my camera's just going off to the front. I should have put my thing on Do Not Disturb because everybody's going in and out the kitchen in the living room and the camera's just going off. So yeah. So this is it right here. D-Brand, hurry up and make a case for this thing, man. Hey, silicone. Okay, I'm currently downloading something right now, so let's just unplug that really quick. Will this fit in the dock after I... You know, it looked like it will fit in the dock. So, yeah, I should have put this thing on Do Not Disturb. Let me do that now on the watch. I'm not prepared for this video because the simple fact was... there's just too much going on. I just got back home from... I dropped off I just dropped off the Legion Go 2 Z2 to my son, so he has that Z2 version, and this one right here is the Z2 Extreme 32 gigabytes. So that's what this one is right here. Let's just power that down for a minute so we don't accidentally hit stuff. And oh, this thing is tight. That's what she said. So how am I going to get this thing in here? Let's see. Push that way. Oh, that thing, oh, like a glove. Let's try to get this part in here. Oh, this thing is tight. Damn. God damn. Get in there. Get in there. Okay. Holy moly. All right, there we go. It's in there. There we go. Oh, this feels better. It's like I don't accidentally hit this. Oh, and that feels... Ooh. Oh. Oh. Can it dock? Can it dock? Can it dock? Yes, it can dock. It can dock. Yes, it can. Yes, sir. Let's just get that all the way over. But I do have to install the screen protector on here. So I am going to have to remove this back off of here. Or maybe I can use this as a template. So let's just see. Here's the screen protector. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Unbox this shit. Okay. We've got another spot right here we need to cut. Okay. And I thought I cut it, which I didn't. Oh no, I halfly cut it. And there should be one more up top. So let's go from the top like this. No, I need to cut this. Cut this nice. Jesus Christ, I'm tired, guys. I need to sharpen my blades. Okay, so we have... Okay, so that's good. So we have this to actually go in here and sink in on. Okay. Okay, guys, that's pretty neat. I'm not going to sit up here and do this because when I do these things, I need all the light I can get to try to get this thing on. So this is going to be on a different video. But yeah, that's the case for it. And good thing that fits. Yeah, guys, so there we go. Thing came all bucked up and looked like somebody sliced it with a knife or whatever, but it's all Gucci. And I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Let's actually flip it around so you guys can see that. Okay, the case right there. I already got a theme. I already got a screenshot for it, so I'm just gonna show that later. So I gotta take this back off so I can put the screen protector on. All right, I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.